Every once in a while I find a yellow jacket or ground wasp nest in my yard. Unfortunately, the way that I find them is by getting stung. A few years ago I was stung more than 25 times after I ran my lawnmower over the opening in the ground. That was an awful situation that I never want to repeat. I try to keep a much better eye on the ground throughout the year and look for their little dens, which usually have a small, almost perfectly round hole, a little bigger than a quarter, and usually in somewhat of a bare spot in the yard. With this nest I was much better off. I got close enough to the nest for one of the soldiers to sting my ankle, but I didn't run over the full nest. Here's a look at my swollen ankle the next day. Anyway, there are several remedies for how to destroy these nests, and I've tried a few in the past. I decided to take a different approach this time. I used my garden hose to drown the nest. This is kind of a reenactment here, but I basically just waited until dark when the nest was inactive and quickly pushed the hose down into the hole as deep as it would go. Then turned the water on full blast for at least 10 minutes. I left the hose in the ground overnight and throughout the next day. After the sun heated the hose and any water left in it, I blasted the nest a second time with very hot water. This method seemed to work very well. No more yellow jackets. If you liked this video and found it useful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.